In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a website template in Hostinger Website Builder. Whether you're looking to give your site a fresh new look or meet changing business needs, updating your template is a simple and straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps together so you'll have a clear understanding of what to do. To begin, you'll need to access your Hostinger account. First, you should log in using your credentials and navigate directly to the Websites section. Here, you'll find a list of all the websites associated with your Hostinger account. Take a moment to locate the specific website you wish to modify. Once you've found it, you'll notice an ellipsis button right next to it, also known as the three-dot menu. Go ahead and click that. Now, from the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to select the Change Template option. This will initiate the process of changing your website's template. Before we proceed to the fun part of picking a new design, there's an important disclaimer you need to pay attention to. This disclaimer will pop up on your screen as soon as you select Change Template. It's crucial to understand that changing your template will permanently delete all the current content on your website. So make sure you're willing to part with all existing elements before moving forward. If you decide that you're ready to proceed with the change, the next step is to carefully read through this disclaimer. Once you've fully understood the implications, you'll need to mark the checkbox to acknowledge that you've read and accepted the terms. After confirming, click on Change Template once more to move on to the next stage. Now, this is the exciting part, choosing a new template. You'll be redirected to a page full of different templates to browse through. Hostinger offers a wide variety, each with its own unique style and layout, so take your time to explore the options available. If you're unsure about a particular design, you can preview any template before making a selection. This ensures you get a good feel for how it'll look in action and whether it meets your needs. Once you've found the perfect template for your website, the final step is simple. Click on the template to apply it to your site. This action will instantly update your website with the new design, giving it a fresh and updated look. And there you have it, a new template for your website with just a few clicks. I hope this guide helps you achieve the look and functionality you desire for your site. Remember that while the content is gone, a new layout can provide a better user experience and showcase your brand more effectively. Thanks for watching and happy website building.